When you are troubleshooting wireless microphones, one of the things that we might ask you is the receiver synced to the transmitter? So here's what we're asking. Is this synced with this? Now, the way you'll know that is the numbers will match up. So on my transmitter, I can see that it's group 1, channel 12, and that is also reflected here on the receiver. So yes, these are synced. And this system works this way with all receivers and transmitters that we have around campus, like the ones up in the processor rack. You have your groups and channels, and if I grab the handheld that belongs to the rack, if I were to turn this on, I can see my group channel, yes, those are synced up. On these, the infrared receiver is right here. That will make sense to you in a second when I keep talking using this kit over here as a guide. If you see that the groups and channels aren't matching up, these are not synced, you're going to have to sync them. So on microphones, you have your infrared. On these portable kits we've made you, you have to unscrew the bottom to reveal the battery compartment, and you have that right there. And you can see it says sync around it. So you'll hold it up to the receiver and you will hit sync, which is difficult to do one-handed. Okay. And once it syncs, you should see that it's ready, and the group and channel would be synced up and ready to go. So if you are having difficulty with microphones where there's no sound and you can't figure it out, and we ask you, is it synced? That's what you're going to check, and that's what you're going to do.